What's up guys, Ryan Lane with Lane's Barbecue, and today we are doing some Soberdough sausage balls. All right guys, we're gonna get the Rectech preheated to 350. We've got a pound of mild sausage. We've got and here's the cool thing with the Soberdough blends, there's so many different kinds. We're actually using the Hatch green chili today because it pairs well with this pepper jack cheese we've got shredded up and our chili lime. I'm telling you guys, this is the sleeper. Actually my family probably goes through about one of these a month. Everything from corn to pasta to chicken, and today to Soberdough sausage balls. So this is a quick recipe you can mix up, throw it on the grill, get going. So then we're gonna throw them on the grill for about 20 minutes and it's go time. All right guys, so here's the thing. So it is gonna appear a little dry. Just getting that, I would almost recommend taking your sausage, folding it out, putting everything in, and then working it that way. Or if you had like a KitchenAid stand mixer, you could put everything in together and work it through. That way it would work too. All right guys, we've got our sausage, our cheese, Soberdough mix, and our chili lime is all mixed in. Now you can just kind of break off your balls, roll them up, little 1 to 2 biters. All right guys, this recipe should give you between 16 to 20, like 1 to 2 inch of these sausage balls. What we're gonna do, we've got everything rolled out. Just gonna season them one more time and roll them around. And then onto the smoker. All right, we're gonna go straight on the grates with these for about 20 minutes at 350. Here we go. All right guys, I don't know of many recipes that are easier than this. It's so easy to put together. The Soberdough sausage balls with that green chili from Soberdough, that green Hatch chili. We've got some pineapple chipotle and some of our Southbound sauce, little dipping sauces right here. Look, got these sausage balls, check them. Woo, steaming up. You know I'm going in for the burn, right? Give a little pineapple chipotle first. Cheers. You actually get that chili lime pop right away. And it's really savory from that sausage. Dunking in the pineapple chipotle is nice. This is one of our secret ones that, like, one of those sauces that people are like, I don't really like mustard. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't tried the Southbound sauce, it's amazing. Oh yeah. There we go. Cheers. You can have a bite first. I don't know which one I like better. Easy just to get them both. We'll see you soon.